These are the elevators at the Hilton Garden Inn near the Sarasota-Bradenton International Airport in Sarasota, Florida. The one button is stuck in, look at that, but I fixed it. We're gonna go for Here we are at 4. Let's go back down to 1, and it got stuck in again. I thought I heard a chime right there, but it's really faint. Yeah, that one button definitely needs some help. Here's your emergency phone, ThyssenKrupp Help Link. Actually, it has the Dover seal. It says Dover Elevators Help Link. Has ThyssenKrupp right here. These could be ThyssenDovers. I actually don't know. Here's your inspection certificate. We're gonna get a quick cab view down here. You can see it's a pretty standard cab, and we're gonna cut to when we get the other elevator. The other elevator is right here. Can't tell if that one has a chime or not. We're gonna go up to 4. There's your inspection certificate. It's quite the bounce at the top. Here's a quick look at a hallway. And we're gonna grab our elevator before it leaves us. And it did, never mind. Actually, I don't think it left us. I think I had just sent this elevator up to 4 earlier, and it calls this one by default. So I sent that one down, so now we should be able to get the other elevator. And we can. Yeah, very quiet chime. Again, here's your emergency phone. It says Dover Elevators Help Link. Here's your cab view. So these are installed in either 2001 or 2002. So these could actually be ThyssenDovers or very early ThyssenKrupp Impulse. I'm thinking ThyssenDover though. Again, there are your fixtures. The other one had this whole panel right here was closed off by a key switch. So interesting how that works. Anyway, that'll be it.